What's his name?
No,
the American?
No, Lyes.
Yes,
Yeah.
we want to shut him
Shut him
up.
up.
He talk a bit too much.
Alright, so we have reached Lyes, our next location here. We're standing outside of Lyes Eatery, which is another one of Toronto's favorite eating spots, and of course another famous Caribbean restaurant here in Toronto. So we're going to be talking to some of the folks here in regards to their Olympic moment. Of course, stay tuned to Sports Club YouTube channel for much more.
I want Kishan Thompson to beat Noah Lyles.
You want that to happen?
Yeah, that's what I want to happen.
You think a record is going to go this year?
Yes.
You think a record is going to go this
No,
year?
not the 100-meter record now fall.
No, far.
No, it's not gonna
No,
fall.
it's
But
not.
I hope Thompson run a good race.
A good race.
I'm beat.
Ben Johnson is your favorite Olympic.
Favorite.
Thanks so much.
All right.
Anybody
I'm
else?
good, man. I'm good.
Anybody else having a special Olympic moment? No?
Yes.
Well, that's the snowbirds for you people, of course. Here. So overall, snowbirds. All right, so you're enjoying it. So you'll be looking forward to the Olympics overall, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys.
Jamaica #1.
Jamaica #1.
Yes.
Continue having a wonderful time here at Lyes, okay?
Nice is.
This is your favorite
Always
spot.
nice.
Okay, thank you. I want to know.
Well, this Olympics, we want to shut up. What's his name?
No,
the
Lyes.
American?
No, Lyes.
Yes,
Yeah.
we want to
You
shut
want
him
to
up.
shut him up.
He talk a bit too much. And we want to shut him up. You know, I just want us to shut up that guy because he talk a bit too much. Right? We're gonna put it, we're not gonna talk. We're gonna lay it out on the track in Paris. And about the opening ceremony today, Celine Dion was marvelous. And for who don't know it, Celine Dion is a Jamaican. Yes, she's Jamaican. But we're gonna do good. Jamaica, we're looking at about 13 to 14 medals this year. We're gonna do it. The Americans said that it's their time, but they sadly missed it. We're still there.
20 years down, we won the gold medal for the 100 meters.
Exactly, we're still there.
We're still there.
And we're just gonna show them
We're going to make it 24.
who is the best.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
One individual, but just come out, do their best, and show the world differently. We are Jamaican,
You think we're going to beat the American?
We're gonna be a tough one, but differently. I will give my Jamaican fans them the best, Hope them come out on top, Definitely.
Your favorite Olympic moment?
My name is Dennis. And my favorite Olympic in the past is Ben Johnson. And that was a spectacular race. And then come Bolt. And Kenyon Fraser and all that. Everyone has done great. And I'm cheering for them again this year. Bolt is out of it, but he's cheerleading on the side and coaching on the side, and I hope for some great success in that.
Is there, what about the opening ceremony that you like today?
The opening ceremony by Celine Dion was spectacular. It was very unusual because all the athletes were in a boat by the river, and that was very different. I like that.
Of course, you play the music here at Lyes, every weekend. Fantastic music. Talk to us about your sound system that you have.
Well, my sound system is called the Enterprise Sound, and put together, for quality sound, and truly refined. I play mostly old school, but I play to entertain the customers, and whomever is here will have no regrets at all.
So people can always come out at
music
Lyes
crowd.
on the weekends to hear their sound system play Enterprise.
That's right. And the Enterprise Sound is here every Friday, Saturday, Sundays, all summer long. At Lyes, everything is nice.
Everything is nice.
Finch and Markham is where it's at.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Entertainment number one.
Entertainment number one. Thank